Okay friends, so you need some help with your fisherman's knot. Hopefully this will help you figure out how to tie it. This is a 50-inch white rope, not two pieces, one single piece. So you're going to lay it out like this, so the top piece is going towards the right and the bottom piece here is going towards the left. The bottom piece is going to go up when you're tying the knot, and the top piece is going to go down. So we'll need to remember that. So what you're going to do first is make sure you have enough slack. You're going to go up and then bring it down like this. One more time, up and down. And so you're going to have an X. The end piece is going to go under and through towards the left. And you're going to sort of pull that tight. You don't want too much on the end because you want it to look nice. And that's what it should look like. So now we'll do this piece, which we had mentioned is going to go down. So we're going to go down, up, towards the left. One more time. And you see the X again. Make some space, and now the end is going to go down, go through the X towards the right. We want to make sure before we pull it tight that it looks the same. So we want it to be the same once it's pulled together. So trying to compare the two knots, make sure that they look like they're in the same spot. That looks pretty good. You can always fuss with it for a while too. So when they're pulled together, you should have 4 parallels and 2 X's. Obviously this is for decoration, not for climbing purposes. And so when you get the fisherman's knot on your sign, it will look like this. And what you'll do at the wedding ceremony is one person will hold this end of the rope, and one person will hold this end, and then you'll tie the knot. And that's it. Hope that made it easier for those of you who have untied your knot and aren't sure how to get it back to where it was. Just go ahead and hang it on your sign and wait for the big day.